As a cosmetic strengthening kit with vitamin A, vitamin E, jaborandi extract, rosemary extract, and quinine extract, directed exclusively for those who have oily roots and dry ends, or who has undergone progressive process with formaldehyde and has a lot of greasiness and the hair has lost half a tip. How to use professional version and home care version. For you that is professional, you can use by making the package of 2 weekly applications. Wash with shampoo twice, and the second time leave to activate always 10 minutes. Rinse, pass the mask, leave it from 5 to 10 minutes in the sink. No need to wear a cap or any thermal action. How to use the home care. You will wash twice with shampoo. The second time you leave the break time of 10 minutes. Rinse, pass the mask, leave 5 to 10 minutes, half a tip. Using twice a week, always at the beginning and the end. You will not replace your daily home care products. You will interchange. You will use at the beginning of the week and at the end. And in the middle week, you will use your usual, whether the natural organic or the Vanish kit or even the Vivas. The vegan line was developed according to vegan concepts, so none of the products were tested on animals or have animal origin. Its formula was exclusively made with plant extracts.